Hey guys, good to see you again. In today's video we are going to bake vanilla muffins. You cannot fail with this simple and quick recipe. Your muffins can be made and baked in only 30 minutes. It does not have to be complicated to make the most delicious muffins. For this recipe we will need cake flour, sugar, whipping cream, 2 eggs, baking powder, salt and vanilla flavor. First we are going to mix the eggs and sugar. Keep mixing until the sugar is dissolved. Now you can add your whipping cream and vanilla flavor. Mix again. When everything is well mixed, you can add your flour, baking powder and salt. Make sure you use a sieve. Now take a spatula and mix until there is no more flour visible. Your batter should become smooth and it's important not to overmix. It does not have to be aerated. This recipe is enough to make 9 muffins. I like to use my ice cream scoop to get the batter into the cups. Now they are ready to bake. Thank you for watching. I hope you will try my recipe. I'm sure you will love them. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.